Okay, I am going to use this brown paper. I got it at a very discount place called 5 and Up, which is just $5, or it's really cheap paper. And I have some permanent markers, and these markers are 3 different sizes. This one is a 0.01, this one's a 0.03, and this is a 0.05. So let's start with the 0.01. We're going to do a little bit kind of a contour type of drawing where I don't lift up my pen too much, but I will lift it up a bit. And then after I get the layout of everything just kind of blocked out a bit, I might go back with some of these heavier pens to kind of bring out some things. And then I'm going to play around with some Prismacolor pencils. This white is Prismacolor. I've got white, I've got light umber, and I've got sepia. And then on the green side, I have dark green and apple green. And the reason I have those two is that way I can get some depth shown on some of the plant life that's kind of framing the front of this composition. So let's give it a try. Let's try this out. Now I'm noticing that we've got the width of it is about the same as the height. So I'm going to work within here. I'm going to kind of offset it about right there. That's to kind of the top of the green part, green roof. So there's that, and it's going to go to about here. So let's do this, something like that, somewhere in there. Here we go. I'm going to go for the 5. With this, I kind of want to start darkening in some of this. As a matter of fact, you know what? I don't really want to spend too much time fussing with that. Maybe this pen would be a little bit broader and I can kind of fill in the gaps a bit better. curious about this cheap paper and see if it bled through. No, it didn't. Cool. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Getting my money's worth out of that paper, aren't I? So why don't we play around with a little bit of white? Plaster face. Different than the rest of it. There you go. We got ourselves a little image of the same building we did with the watercolor, and we used Prismacolor and black ink.